I'm an annoying girl who's always got something to say. I can make you really mad because I'll snap is my catchphrase. I'm really loud, I'm really smart and nerdy as can be. I wonder why in the world all kids bully me. Oh, snap.
Okay, class, who can tell me the Pythagorean theorem?
Of course, the answer is a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Correct.
Wow, you're smart.
Smart? I'd have to lose 60 IQ points to be qualified as smart.
Start with a compliment.
All right, class, school's almost over. Does anybody have anything they want to share?
Well, I saw this cool show about starfish on the Discovery Channel.
Are you sure that it wasn't in boxer shorts? Because you may have been watching Nickelodeon.
Are you inferring I'm stupid?
That's not correct. I'm implying you're stupid. Then you inferred it.
Better watch out, you'll be sleeping with the fishes.
Oh, snap!
Okay, class, school's over. Goodbye.
Hey, you guys want to hear a joke? Okay, here it goes. A neutron walked into the bar and asked the bartender how much for a drink. The bartender replied, "For you, no charge." Okay, you're getting it this time. Oh, snap! Oh, snap! Oh, snap! Oh, snap!
Oh my gosh, have you been in there all night?
Oh, snap.